Buying a house feels overwhelming right now. Rates can change, headlines change, advice online is all over the place. So let's slow this down for a minute. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to buy a house in 2026 step by step. No shortcuts, no fluff, just a process you actually need to understand. All right, so here we go. Step one, get clear on your financial reality. Before you look at houses, you need clarity, not guesses, not online calculators, real numbers. This means understanding four things. One, your income, your monthly debts, your credit profile, and your cash available. These steps set the foundation for everything else. Buying before you understand is how people end up stressed later. Clarity first, confidence follows. Okay, step two, get pre-approved before you shop. This is not optional in 2026. A pre-approval tells you exactly what price range makes sense. It also tells the sellers that you're very serious. This is where a lot of buyers get tripped up. Pre-qualification is a conversation. Pre-approval is verification. Documents are reviewed, numbers are confirmed. This step protects you from falling in love with the wrong house. It also strengthens your offers when competition shows up. Step three, build the right team. You're not doing this alone, you guys. You need a real estate agent who knows the local market, and you also need a lender who explains things clearly and communicates very well. The best outcomes happen when the agent and the lender work together. Not separately, not reactively. This team helps you avoid surprises, missed timelines, and unnecessary stress. Choose people who are going to educate you and not pressure you. All right, step four, define your buying criteria. This is where discipline matters. You need to separate wants from needs. Location, budget, layout, condition. In 2026, flexibility helps buyers win. That might mean adjusting expectations on size or finishes or even timing. The goal isn't perfection, it's alignment with your life. Clarity on what you want prevents emotional decisions later. Step five, tour homes and watch the market. This step is about learning. You're not just looking at houses, you guys. You're learning about pricing, pace, competition. Pay attention to how fast homes sell, how close they sell to list price, and what homes sit longer. This type of information is going to help you write a smarter offer later on. Buying well starts with observation. Step six, write a competitive offer. This is where your team matters most. Price is important, but it's not the only lever. Terms matter, timelines matter, and certainty matters. A strong offer balances competitiveness with protection. You don't want to win the house and regret the deal later on. Make sure you're approved with a local lender that agents know and trust. Many times agents won't accept a pre-approval letter from an online lender. Step seven, navigate inspections and negotiations. Once your offer is accepted, the real work begins. Inspections reveal condition, not perfection. This is where buyers sometimes panic, and remember this, almost every home has issues. The goal is understanding what matters and what doesn't, and what can be negotiated and what can't. Good agents help you stay calm, good lenders help you stay on track. This phase is about informed decisions. Step eight, finalize the loan and clear underwriting. This step feels paperwork heavy because it is. Documents are reviewed, conditions are cleared, details are verified, and nothing is wrong when questions come up. This is normal. Communication matters here. Stay responsive, ask questions, and don't assume the worst. Step nine, close on the home, and this is the finish line. Final numbers are confirmed, documents are signed, ownership transfers, and this is when the preparation pays off. A smooth closing is not luck, it's a result of good planning, and once the keys are in your hand, the process becomes a memory, a final thought. Buying a house in 2026 doesn't require perfect timing, it requires preparation. And when you understand the steps, the fear goes down. When you build the right team, the process becomes manageable. And when you make decisions intentionally, home ownership becomes empowering. If you're thinking about buying, start with clarity, not urgency. Just like anything, working with the right team that has your best interests at heart is a winning combination.